Hey guys, it's Marley with Sunset Properties here. Today I'm taking you on a tour of Edgewater West 64. Now this unit is located right on the beach on West Beach. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it sleeps 7. So let's check it out. Come on in. So as soon as you come in, you'll see you have a full-size washer and dryer. And then we'll keep stepping and you'll have your kitchen right on the right. You have everything you need to cook your meals here in the condo. It's your coffee maker, blender, toaster, all that good stuff. All right, let's step back out in the hallway. Now you've got the living room and stuff that way. We're gonna come back to that. We're gonna check out the bedrooms first. So come in here. To your left, you've got the first bedroom. It's got a queen size bed and a twin size bed. And right in here, you have the first bathroom. Now, as we step into the master suite, you have that private bathroom. And you also have the master bedroom, which has a king-size bed, a flat-screen TV, and private entrance to the enclosed balcony. Let's go back to the living room. Now first, when you come in here, you've got some bar seating and you have your dining room table. And then you have the colorful living room, which has plenty of seating for your family, has the pull-out couch and a flat-screen TV. Now let's go to the balcony. What's perfect about this is it is an enclosed balcony. So you have the gorgeous view of the Gulf with air conditioning. You can sit here on your balcony, you can open the windows as you see we've done here so you can still hear the water and it is still that beautiful view. Now, Edgewater West 64 is waiting for you to come visit. I put the link in the description for this condo, so you can click on that to reserve it. You can call or text us at 251-543-1370, or you can email us at info@sunsetproperties.com. I'll see you at sunset.